Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? So today I got another news for you guys. So as all of you guys know that yesterday there was a severe thunderstorm watch for Regina. Plus also there was a news yesterday saying that there will be some severe thunderstorms warnings or watches in effect on Sunday in Saskatchewan. And as you know, today is Sunday, June 23rd, and as we can see, there's a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Regina, and it is saying that at 7 p.m. it is going to be 95% thunderstorm. At 6 p.m. it is going to be 60% thunderstorm, right? Is this a scattered thunderstorm? Yeah, there's going to be a scattered thunderstorm today. As we can see, so yeah, today is 27 degrees Celsius, feels like 27. I'm gonna go in the warning. So as we can see, the affected places: Swift, Current, Regina, Weyburn, and Estevan. So I'm gonna go in the map and I'm gonna show you what many places are in effect. So yeah, so Moose Jaw is also in effect, and Fort QFL is also in effect. I'm gonna read it to you. Conditions are favorable for the development of dangerous thunderstorms that may be capable of producing damaging wind gusts, damaging hail, and heavy rain. A severe thunderstorm outbreak is possible Sunday afternoon and evening, so it might also go into evening. Alright, the primary threat with these severe thunderstorms include damaging wind gusts, large hail, and torrential downpours. As the evening progresses, the thunderstorms will expand in coverage and continue to bring a damaging wind and hail as they track towards the Manitoba border. Very large hail can damage property, break windows, dent vehicles, and cause serious injury. Very strong wind gusts can damage buildings, down trees, and blow large vehicles off the road. Remember, severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes, so please make sure to look out for the sky. So you might receive an alert saying that there's a tornado warning nearby or in your area. So yeah, severe thunderstorm watches are issued when atmospheric conditions are favorable for the development of thunderstorms that could produce one or more of the following: large hail, damaging winds, torrential rainfall. And so yeah, recommended actions are: lightning kills and injures Canadians every year. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. What is a severe thunderstorm watch? A severe thunderstorm watch is issued when conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms with one or more of the following conditions: wind gusts of 90 kilometers per hour or greater, which could cause structural wind damage; hail of 2 centimeters or larger in diameter; or heavy rainfall as per rainfall criteria, excluding those for winter and during thaw. Alright, so I'm gonna go in the news. So yeah, guys, look. So yeah, there's some news of Saskatchewan. Like as you can see, sasktoday.ca, like 37 minutes ago, severe thunderstorm watch issued for much of South Sask. 650 CKOM thunderstorm and tornado watches cover Saskatchewan. So there are some tornado watches also in Saskatchewan. There are some several news. And PA now. Tornado watch, severe thunderstorm alerts in effect for across Saskatchewan. So I'm gonna go in this one. A severe thunderstorm outbreak is possible this afternoon and evening. A tornado watch was issued for many parts of central Saskatchewan, including Prince Albert, Battlefords, and Saskatoon. Meanwhile, Regina and southern Saskatchewan have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect. Environment Canada said a low pressure system will interact with an unstable air mass this afternoon, resulting in the development of severe thunderstorms. All modes of severe weather are possible, including very large hail, very strong wind gusts, torrential downpours, and tornadoes, some of which may be strong. Some will initiate by mid-late afternoon and track east-northeast. The tornado threat will gradually diminish after sunset, and as the storms track into eastern Saskatchewan and into Manitoba border and into Manitoba tonight. An alert issued by Sask Alert warned this is a dangerous and potentially life-threatening situation. Tornado watches are issued when atmospheric conditions are favorable for the development of thunderstorms that could produce tornadoes. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna go. So yeah, as we can see, 9 hours ago, the Weather Network posted. So yeah, whatever the Weather Network posts on Google, guys, you should read it. So whenever it like posts that there's a storm risk for prairies tonight, so watch that, because 9 hours ago, the Weather Network posted on Google saying tornado risk on parts of the prairies amid severe storm chance Sunday. And look, today there's a severe thunderstorm plus a tornado watch in effect for much of Saskatchewan. So as the news said that places in Saskatchewan like North Battleford and Saskatoon are in tornado watch, plus Places like Moose Jaw, Estevan, Weyburn, and Regina, which is in southern Saskatchewan. All of these places are in is in severe thunderstorm watch. So I'm gonna go on this one. Saskatchewan has been blanketed with a bunch of different storm watches. Tornado watch is in effect for central Saskatchewan, including Saskatoon and Prince Albert. Environment Canada said a severe thunderstorm outbreak is possible Sunday afternoon or evening. Storms will be beginning by mid to late afternoon, track northeast, and tornado threat will diminish after sunset. Regina and southern Saskatchewan have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect. Environment Canada said conditions are favorable for the development of dangerous thunderstorms that may be capable of producing strong wind gusts, damaging hail, and heavy rain. So yeah, I'm gonna read this last news by sasktoday.ca, which was issued 35 minutes ago. Alright, South Saskatchewan. A severe thunderstorm watch is now in effect for much of southern Saskatchewan, including Regina, Moose Jaw, Estevan, Weyburn, Swift Current, and Assiniboia and surrounding areas. Severe thunderstorm outbreak is possible Sunday afternoon and evening. The primary threat with these severe thunderstorms, including damaging wind gusts, large hail, and torrential downpours, the advisory states. As the evening progresses, the thunderstorms will expand in coverage and continue to bring a damaging wind and hail risk as they track towards the Manitoba border. The advisory covers 83 rural municipalities, plus the cities of Regina and Moose Jaw. Severe thunderstorm warnings were issued Saturday for the southeast corner, including the Carlisle, Redworth, Kipling, and Wawota areas, among others. A severe thunderstorm watch impacted 26 rural municipalities in the southeast. So the first news about the tornado watch we read was that the tornado watch was issued for Saskatoon and North Battleford. Look, I was right. There's a tornado watch in effect for Saskatoon. I'm gonna read it. A severe thunderstorm outbreak is possible this afternoon and evening. A low pressure system will interact with an unstable air mass this afternoon, resulting in the development of severe thunderstorms. All modes of severe weather are possible, including very large hail, very strong wind gusts, torrential downpours, and tornadoes, some of which may be strong. So that is the same stuff we read in the news. Storms will initiate by mid-late afternoon and track east-northeast. The tornado threat will gradually diminish after sunset and as the storms track into eastern Saskatchewan and into Manitoba tonight. This is a dangerous and potentially life-threatening situation. Alright, so recommended actions are: be prepared for severe weather, take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches, in the event of a tornado or if a tornado warning is issued for your area. It is recommended you take the following actions: go indoors to a room on the lowest floor, away from outside walls, windows such as a basement, bathroom, stairwell, or interior closet. Leave mobile homes, vehicles, tents, trailers, and other temporary or freestanding shelter. Move to a strong building if you can. As a last resort, lie in a low spot and protect your head from flying debris. Lightning kills and injures Canadians every year. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. And what is tornado watch? So there was another news from sasktoday.ca saying, like 3 minutes ago, saying tornado watch issued for parts of province. The tornado watch is issued when conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms with one or more tornadoes. So we're just gonna have a quick review on this, on this news. So it said the same thing. Now we're gonna check the weather for North Battleford. There's a tornado watch in effect. There's a tornado watch in effect. So I'm gonna see the affected area and how far it is away from Regina. It's not that far away. Like, for example, there might be a hailstorm in Regina Beach, right? So I'm gonna check the weather for Regina Beach. Yeah, it's a severe thunderstorm watch. So guys, bye.